100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal. Alright, hi guys, this is Ron, and we just ran across another man just pulled into the Cayucas gas station. Would you care to introduce yourself?
Jack.
Alright, Jack, can you tell me a little bit about your truck here?
Well, it was given to me a year ago, and it's been pretty reliable.
Okay.
Though the engine makes a lot of noise, and my friend that gave it to me said it had some gasket issue.
Maybe.
Yeah, but it runs pretty solid.
Alright, so why don't you go ahead? How many miles are on that thing? Let's see.
221.
221,000 miles. Let's see if we can't do something amazing for them. Alright, let's see. Here it's got an exhaust manifold gasket. But come on out, Jack. And I'll just let you pop the hood.
Yeah, because you see, I do it one day.
Yeah, see that.
Secure it.
Well, I saw that. Yeah, well, these old trucks are meant to be run, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right, Jack. So, you see this, right? I want you guys to look at how this engine's shaking, okay? Here, as a matter of fact, once you hold that, what I'm about to do is open this. Now, what we're doing, folks, is we're just adding snake oil. SnakeOil.wtf is the website. This is 2 teaspoons full, not even 2 teaspoons full. And this will last you for a year.
Okay.
If not longer. But your oil changes will last. I've been getting reports back saying the oil changes will last 5 times as long. Is that cool?
I do my own.
Huh?
I like to do my own.
Well, you won't need to change it. Not for a while, buddy. Alright, so now I hear valve clatter in it too. Like a camshaft or something. But there it is, guys. This is so hard to install. That's it.
Even I wouldn't have made a mess.
Yeah, exactly. We're just gonna let it run for a minute here, but the missing, I think, part of it's due to your valves. But I can hear the camshaft in there. Can you hear it? You have to get right down close when you can hear the clatter in. I've trained myself to
Yeah.
look at it. All right, so anyway.
It's kind of like what I do for a living. My eyes and ears are trained to it. I work at golf courses.
You work golf courses? Okay.
Like
Oh, okay, cool.
so certain things I would recognize.
You want to get close to God, get your hands in the dirt. All right? Okay, all right, now what I want you to do, if you don't mind, is that leads right to the one. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to go up there and take a right and then take the next exit and come back here.
Right to the one.
Yeah, just make a little loop. Yeah.
Okay.
Will you do that for me?
Sure.
All right, then. All right, we'll see what happens when he comes back. I bet you'll be. Oh, look. Here comes Jack back. Let's see what he has to say here.
Got your name already.
Ron. That's right, Jack. So, what do you got to say? Can you tell the difference?
It seemed pretty smooth. I couldn't tell, honestly.
Oh, okay. It's quieter now, though. I'll say that much. Sure, if you like. Yeah, let's see it. See how it's doing on the smoothness. You know, I might have to let you do that. That thing's kind of finicky. It looks to me to be running a little bit smoother. You got some valve issues, though.
It was pretty solid, I have to admit. But, you know, and I got on it like normal.
Right.
It felt pretty normal.
Okay. Well, it's probably because the valve's doing most of it. All right. So, well, we didn't see an immediate change in, not much, but I'm sure Jack's going to get back in touch with me once you check.
I will.
Okay, all right. Yeah, because I'm going to tell him what to do to straighten out some of that valve stuff. Anyway, I'm going to say God bless y'all richly and warmly. And as always, remember to smile for a stranger today. You will both be glad you did. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ron. This is Jack calling back about the snake oil that you put in my engine. Anyway, my Ford Ranger, just in reference. since you put it in, it's been running better. I gave it a day off and without driving it. When I started it up today, oh, it was sweet. And then as I drove up over the pass, I noticed how smooth it was running. Even though I dropped to lower grade, like 87 octane, even though I'm running lower octane, it's running sweet and it's running better than before. And with no knock, I'm amazed how quiet it is and how smooth it's running. I'm interested to see my gas mileage, but at any rate, thank you for the help. My truck's running great, like new, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.
Order yours today at snakeoil.wtf. You'll be glad you did.